from the WJR studios in the Golden Tower of the Fisher Building in Detroit's historic News Center, the Daily Law firm PC presents The Law Show on Newstalk 760 WJR. Now, here's your host, Brian Dailey.
Welcome once again to The Law Show. I'm attorney Brian Dailey, broadcasting live from high atop the Law Show studios in Detroit's own Motown on Newstalk 760 WJR, here answering all your legal questions at 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855-529-7469. You can also email your questions to questions@thelawshow.com. If you want to ask a question to get an answer today, but you do not want to go on the air, you can also call us at 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855-529-7469. And follow the prompts to leave a message. We'll get you back with you right away. Today we're going to be talking about all legal issues. It doesn't really matter what your issue is. We've got your answer. You can call us and talk to us at 855-LAW-SHOW about any injury claim. In fact, today we have a guest of the Daily Law Firm. He is chair of the Personal Injury Department of the Daily Law Firm. His name is Brad Wing. He's been practicing for a long time. He handles all manner of personal injury and medical malpractice, and he'll be here answering questions with me. And everybody knows that I've been for 30 years representing people who've been injured in auto accidents, dog bites, slips and falls, medical malpractice, legal malpractice, accounting malpractice. It doesn't really matter. We're not really trying to hurt anybody. We're trying to help people. If somebody makes a mistake, like, for example, when I was a kid, I hit a baseball and I broke my neighbor's window, and I was working the entire summer to repay that window. I didn't mind doing it. Well, looking back, I didn't mind doing it. I'm sure I minded then, but everybody in America has to stand on their own 2 feet, and if you cause somebody an injury, you cause somebody damage, you should be glad for the opportunity to repair that and to fix the problem that you caused, and that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to create a new view in America about tort law, because it's been so skewed by insurance companies and hospitals and big business to suggest that pursuing tort recoveries is wrong. And it's actually not wrong. It's actually right. When somebody gets injured in a bad car accident and they incur lots and lots and lots of medical bills, then in many states, if there's not enough insurance to cover that, then that comes out of the taxpayer's pocket. And I just think that's wrong. If there's an insurance company that has agreed to pay those costs, then they ought to stand up on their own 2 feet and pay those costs and not try to go to the legislature and get special laws and special exceptions and be special. You know what? If we're gonna be a country of those who know how to stand up on their own, take responsibility, and be good citizens, then let's do it. If you cause somebody an injury and if you've agreed to reimburse them for that injury, then by gosh, you better do that. And that's what we're trying to do here. We're not trying to hurt anybody. We're not trying to get anything that we don't deserve or that our clients don't deserve. We just want to make sure that we make the wrongdoer, the person that caused the mistake, and it's just a mistake, to pay the cost of the damage that they've done. We can also answer your questions today about foreclosure. Just because you've been given a notice of foreclosure doesn't mean that you have to give up and walk away. The banks have hired great lawyers, and you can too. We can keep you in your home in many cases for many, many, many months, often without even making any sort of payment, until we get it all resolved. Sometimes we can get you a loan modification. Sometimes we can get you a short sale. Sometimes we can get you cash for keys. But don't give up just because you've been notified of a particular foreclosure. We can answer your questions about criminal cases, traffic tickets, driver's license restoration, estate planning, Medicaid. It doesn't really matter. Give us a call right now at 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855-529-7469. We'll answer all your questions. We're going to take a short break. I want you to listen very carefully to these few important messages. We'll be right back right after at 855-LAW-SHOW. It's the Law Show from high atop the Law Show studios in Motown, Detroit, on Newstalk 760 WJR. I'll be back.